In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Canva Pro for free or cheap in 2025. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating all sorts of visual content, from stunning social media graphics to professional presentations. However, the Pro version offers even more advanced features which many users find invaluable. If you're looking to explore Canva Pro without spending too much, you're in the right place. Let's start by visiting the Canva website. Head to the Canva Pro page. Here, you'll find a wealth of information about what the Pro version offers. It's a good idea to take a moment and familiarize yourself with these features before moving on. Next, you'll find an option to start your free trial. Click on this and you'll be prompted to sign up with your email address. When you sign up, you'll need to enter your payment details. Don't worry about being charged right away because Canva allows a trial period where you can explore all the features of Canva Pro without any initial charge. However, here's a crucial tip. If you decide that Canva Pro isn't for you, remember to cancel before the trial period ends to avoid any charges. It's a perfect opportunity to dive deep into the premium features and evaluate if it suits your creative needs. One important note, though, is that starting July 2025, Canva has made some changes regarding their free trial offers. The previous 30-day free trial is no longer available, so it's important to check the duration of the current trial and use your trial period wisely. Try to schedule time to experiment with the features so you can make the most out of it. For those who've tried the free trial before, or if the trial doesn't meet your needs, there are still other affordable options you might want to consider. Sometimes Canva offers promotions or discounts, especially during holidays or special events. Keep an eye out for those opportunities as they can significantly reduce costs. Additionally, if you're a student or educator, Canva offers a special program where you might qualify for a free premium membership. So there you have it, a few ways to either try Canva Pro for free or at a reduced price. It's a great chance to enhance your creative projects without a hefty price tag. If you're someone who enjoys creating graphics or needs to make professional designs regularly, Canva Pro could become an indispensable tool in your creative toolkit. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember to explore all features thoroughly and decide if Canva Pro meets your needs before committing to any payments. Thank you for watching and happy designing.